everyone. Welcome back to Car Review Hub, the place where we dive deep into the latest car releases and give you the most detailed reviews possible. Today, we're taking a closer look at the 2025 Cadillac CT4-V Blackwing, one of the most exciting compact luxury sports sedans on the market. This car combines Cadillac's bold design language with raw performance, track-inspired handling, and a truly premium interior, making it a standout choice for anyone who wants an American-built alternative to the German competition. So let's break down everything you need to know about the CT4-V Blackwing, from its exterior styling and interior features to performance, technology, and pricing. When you first lay eyes on the 2025 Cadillac CT4-V Blackwing, you immediately notice its aggressive yet refined exterior design. Cadillac has kept the car muscular but sleek, with a sharp front fascia dominated by a gloss black mesh grille and vertical LED headlights that give it a distinctive presence on the road. The aerodynamic package is both functional and stylish, with front splitters, side skirts, and a rear spoiler that aren't just for looks, they're engineered to improve downforce and stability at high speeds. The 18-inch forged aluminum wheels wrapped in high-performance Michelin Pilot Sport tires complete the athletic stance, while quad exhaust outlets at the rear hint at the power under the hood. Buyers can also customize their Blackwing with carbon fiber exterior packages, which not only reduce weight, but also enhance the car's track-ready appeal. Step inside the CT4-V Blackwing, and Cadillac makes it clear this is not just a performance machine, but also a luxury sports sedan. The cabin feels driver-focused, with a thick, flat-bottom steering wheel wrapped in leather and available carbon fiber trim that adds to the racing vibe. The seats are performance-oriented, but remain comfortable enough for daily driving, with bolstered support to hold you in place during spirited cornering. Higher trims even offer carbon fiber-backed racing seats for those who want the full track experience. The materials inside are top-notch, with leather, suede microfiber, and metal accents spread throughout the cabin, giving it a premium look and feel. The technology inside the Blackwing keeps Cadillac in line with competitors. A 12-inch digital driver display offers customizable performance data, while the 8-inch central touchscreen comes equipped with Cadillac's latest infotainment system, supporting wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Audiophiles will appreciate the available 14-speaker AKG premium audio system, delivering crisp, immersive sound. For performance enthusiasts, Cadillac also integrates a performance data recorder, which allows drivers to record video, audio, and telemetry data while driving on the track, a feature borrowed straight from the Corvette. The combination of luxury, comfort, and track-ready tech makes the interior of the CT4-V Blackwing one of its strongest points. Of course, the heart of the CT4-V Blackwing lies under the hood. Powering this sports sedan is a 3.6-liter twin-turbocharged V6 engine that pumps out 472 horsepower and 445 pound-feet of torque. That's serious power for a compact sedan, allowing the CT4-V Blackwing to sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just about 3.8 seconds when equipped with the 10-speed automatic transmission. For purists, Cadillac still offers a 6-speed manual transmission, making the CT4-V Blackwing one of the last true driver's cars in this segment. The interior even comes with features like rev matching and no-lift shifting, enhancing the driving experience. Top speed is impressive 189 miles per hour, putting it right in the mix with the BMW M3 and Mercedes-AMG C63. But raw power isn't the only story here. The CT4-V Blackwing shines when it comes to handling and driving dynamics. Cadillac has fine-tuned the suspension with magnetic ride control, one of the most advanced adaptive damping systems in the industry. This allows the car to constantly adjust its suspension settings for optimal comfort or maximum performance, depending on driving conditions. The chassis is rigid, the steering is precise, and Brembo brakes provide excellent stopping power. On the road, the Blackwing feels planted and responsive, but on the track, it transforms into a razor-sharp performance machine. It's the kind of car that makes every drive feel special, whether you're carving mountain roads or commuting to work. Fuel efficiency isn't the priority here, but Cadillac manages to keep things respectable. The CT4-V Blackwing delivers an estimated 16 miles per gallon in the city and 24 on the highway with the automatic transmission. Not exactly fuel-sipping numbers, but considering the performance it delivers, they're more than acceptable. Safety and driver assistance features also play a role in making the CT4-V Blackwing a balanced package. Cadillac equips the car with forward collision warning, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, lane keeping assist, and rear cross traffic alert. While Super Cruise, Cadillac's semi-autonomous driving system, is not available on the Blackwing models due to their focus on performance, the safety suite is still comprehensive enough to provide peace of mind. Now let's talk pricing. The 2025 Cadillac CT4-V Blackwing starts at around $63,000, which makes it one of the more affordable entries in the high-performance luxury sedan category. Fully loaded with options like the carbon fiber package, upgraded seats, and premium audio, the price can climb closer to $80,000. Compared to rivals from BMW, Audi, and Mercedes, the CT4-V Blackwing offers incredible performance value for the money. It's a car that gives you track-level performance without breaking into six-figure territory, and that's a huge selling point. So, is the 2025 Cadillac CT4-V Blackwing worth it? If you're someone who values American engineering, wants a true performance sedan that still delivers daily comfort, and appreciates the option of rowing your own gears, the answer is a definite yes. It blends Cadillac luxury with hardcore performance in a way that few cars manage to achieve. It may not have the prestige of a BMW badge or the widespread recognition of an AMG, but what it does have is character, power, and a raw driving thrill that's becoming rare in today's market. That wraps up our in-depth review of the 2025 Cadillac CT4-V Blackwing. Let us know in the comments what you think of this high-performance luxury sedan. Would you take it over a BMW M3 or Audi RS5? Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Car Review Hub, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our latest car reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.